the stage in my life where I'm like, okay, do I want kids? I think I'm starting to lean towards yes, I want kids, because my Reddit searches are changing. Okay. So every night I go to sleep, read Reddit. It's like my little bedtime story. I love it so much. And in my early 20s, like, I would go to subreddits like, I hate my son, I'm calling the cops, like things like that. Or like, one of my favorite subreddits in my 20s was, is my son affiliated with Satan? It's a lot of Christian women, right? And it's just me, normal gals like me, who want to know if they're going to have evil sons, you know? It's totally normal. When I turned 30, now I'm on Reddit searching for things like manifesting my child's flawless life, you know? Or like tips to becoming the perfect mother. These searches are so extreme, right? Like maybe I should be searching different threads, like, I don't know, mood stabilizer, you know?